I know I made a couple of other haircutting videos, alright? But it's time to do it again. Updated version, you guys. But this time I'm not gonna be in the mirror with the hand mirror and the other mirror freaking breaking my neck. I'm gonna use this self-cut system and I'm about to get the job done. Let's see how it goes, you guys. Before we get to the haircutting, make sure you check out the SelfCutSystem app. Go to the app store on your phone. Type in SelfCutSystem. Find the app. It should be the first one to pop up. Download it. Then, after you download it, check it out. It has features, show you how to do haircut styles and all that good stuff. When you get your self-cut system, you're going to get it in a box. You take it out the box and you take off these foam protectors, okay? And it's very simple to install. You set the metal bars up on a door and you can take it pretty much anywhere the metal bars will support it, okay? You simply take your self-cut system and you attach it to the metal bars. Voila! Now when it's set up, you can open it up. Self-cut system is ready to go. With this new self-cut system, you got the lights on it, alright? An important part of cutting hair is having proper light. Let's get straight into it. We cutting hair today, y'all. As y'all can see, I've been woofing it out for a minute now. It's been about a good month since my last haircut, as y'all can see. Right now, I'm just cutting my hair with the direction of my waves. If you don't have waves, you can go straight down or straight forward, and you'll be alright. Alright, now when I finish with the left side, I can easily cut the top, looking directly into the front of the middle mirror. So I'm just going like this. I'm cutting my hair with the grain right now. I'm going in the same direction as I brush my waves. If you don't have waves, you can either go forward or you can go against the grain, because that usually gives you a more even cut. I'm looking directly into the middle mirror right now. The lighting on the SelfCut System 2.0 is very good right now. It's helping me see my entire head, and this ensures that I don't miss any spots. Alright, now that I finished the top and that side, I'm trying to get this right side. Just by looking into the side mirror, I can see perfectly, and I'm able to get the sides without twisting around or doing that much extra stuff. It's just really simple and natural. And that's one thing that I like. Now when you finish the sides and the top, it's time to do the back. For the back, what I want to do is I want to look into this one right here that's in front of me, and then it bounces back and reflects to that one, and I can see the back of my head. I can see all back there easily. Like I just mentioned, the best thing about this is that it feels natural. Even though I'm cutting behind my head, I can see everything that I'm doing. So I'm finished with the haircut, you guys. I cut everything down. It's all cut down evenly to a 00 guard, okay? So now what I have to do is shave. And I feel like shaving is going to be much more easier because I could just see it like this. Now it's time to do the lineup. First thing I want to do when I'm doing my lineup is I'm going to start right here in the middle, okay? Because that's what I've learned is the most effective. just about finished. Make sure I got my waves on point. At this point in my hairline right here, it doesn't really grow as thick as the rest of my hair, alright? And so what I did was I didn't shave this back to this dark line. I kept this line right here. So it stops right there, alright? That's where I kept it at, because I don't want to push my hairline back and keep pushing it back, and then it'll be back here, you know what I mean? So I don't want that. And on this side as well, alright? It's light right here. You see the light line? I stopped it right there. I didn't push it back. So it may not be as crispy as when the barber does it, but I didn't push it back, and yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm satisfied with my haircut, you guys, and I did it myself. All thanks to the SelfCutSystem 2.0 with the lights on it so that I can see even better when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm out of here. I'm 368 Process Rashad. If you need to get you a SelfCutSystem so that you can start doing your own haircuts and lineups, you can check it out on SelfCutSystem.com and download the app. I'm out of here. Psh.